Ma'am, I seek your permission to ask you something about the rising fuel prices in the country, and also the gas cylinder price has now shot up by another 50 rupees. I know it is a little out of the subject for the today, but it's a growing concern the way fuel prices are going up, and the cylinder cost has gone up by another 50 rupees.
Though it is not related to today's press conference, but it's a question. It is yes, everybody is concerned about that, and I think every day they are increasing the price, either diesel price or the petrol price or the gas cylinder price. Sometimes they said that they will give the subsidy for the gas cylinders, but that is also not there. All the subsidy has been withdrawn, and now if a gas cylinder's cost is 800 rupees, then suppose a man is getting 5,000 or 10,000 rupees per month, then 1,000 rupees only they have to pay for these gas cylinders. Then where they will get the money for other purpose? So it's a matter of concern, and central government is not taking any serious things about this. Only when election comes, they just reduce for 3-4 days. After the election result is over, they again increase so many times. So this is the phenomena, and this is the traditional. So we are very much concerned, and we will request the government not to do like this.
Ma'am, I have one more question, ma'am. A 21-year-old climate activist from Bangalore has been arrested. Disha Ravi is behind bars, booked on charges of sedition. The government believes she has participated in a conspiracy along with outsiders by merely supporting the farmers' movement on social media. She's just 21 years old, ma'am.
I have seen it is reported in the press, and it is reported in the Twitter and social network also. I feel sorry that even Rajdeep Sardesai case also, you know, the other journalist also. Even I am really sorry that actual who are the guilty and who are the doing the mistakes, and especially the BJP IT cells. Even today I have got so many information that they are giving some rings to the professors and teachers and saying that we are speaking from the Trinamool Congress office, and then they are giving some misinformation, disinformation, and when they cross-checked that number, that from where they are talking, they have seen this is a BJP IT numbers, and they are calling from private numbers, and they are abusing the Trinamool Congress in the name of that social network, that Twitter, the Facebook. So it is their phenomena. They cannot spare a 21 years girl, or they cannot spare the Padma Shri Rajdeep Sardesai, or they cannot spare the Delhi journalist or the Keralian journalist or the Bangalore journalist or the student, but they can spare only their nuisance created people. That is most unfortunate. The discrimination. Why BJP misusing their social network like this? Why? Can they phone in name of Trinamool Congress, my party, without my consent?